Hey everyone, it's Eikos here from Flow. Welcome back to the channel. Today guys, we are reviewing a little bit different as the usual products. So if you are trying to lose fat, gain muscle or just track your health properly, you'll probably look at a body composition scale. But there's a problem. Most of them are actually not that accurate. So in this video, I tested a body composition scale, the Hume Health Pod. Hume Health Pod. Hume Health Pod. That claims to be close to DEXA level accuracy and compared it to typical smart scales like Withings, Renpho and Omron. And honestly, it will completely change how you track your progress. Let's go! So most of the smart scales out there, they only measure the lower half of your body. Then they basically use an algorithm to guess your full body composition. That means body fat percentage, muscle mass, even water levels are not truly measured, just estimated. And that's why a lot of people think they're not progressing, get stuck on weight, or just lose motivation, because the data isn't full accurate. And now this is where this one is just change things. Instead of just standing on a scale, you're actually using a full body system with sensors that measure your arms, legs, torso. So you're getting real full body composition data, not just estimates. And this is using 8-frequency BIA technology, which is way more advanced than standard scales. So instead of guessing, it actually scans your whole body properly. And now here is the interesting part. When you compare this to a DEXA scan, which is basically the gold standard for body composition, this comes within around 3% accuracy. And that's crazy, because DEXA requires a clinic visit, costs a lot, and isn't something you do daily. Whereas this, you can use at home anytime. So realistically, this is one of the closest things to medical level tracking you can get without going to a lab. And now let's talk about the app, because this is where it actually starts to get really interesting. First thing, everything syncs straight to your phone, and instead of just showing numbers, you actually get proper insights. One feature I really like is the humanoid graph. It basically shows fat distribution, muscle distribution across your whole body. So you can actually see imbalances, not just numbers. And then you get this progress tracking graph. You can check it daily, weekly, monthly. So you can see how your body is actually changing over time. And this is important because sometimes your weight doesn't change, but your body fat is going down and muscle is going up. And this is something normal scales just don't show properly. So I've been using this for a few days now. And this is where it starts making sense. After around 5 days of data, you start seeing actual patterns, like how your body responds to food, how sleep affects recovery, and how consistent your progress really is. And instead of just guessing what's happening, you actually have data to back it up. So compared to things like Withings, Renpho or Omron, those are still good for basic tracking, but they're more like a baseline. This feels more like a full health tracking tool. Also, compared to something like InBody machines at gyms, this gets surprisingly close, but obviously way more convenient because it's at home. And now just to keep it real, this is definitely more advanced than what most people are used to. So if you just want a simple weight number, this might feel little overkill. But in terms of actual data and insights, this is on a completely different level. So overall guys, if you're serious about tracking body fat, muscle and real progress, this is probably one of the closest things you can get to professional level tracking at home. Links will be in the description, so check it out for yourself. And thank you really much for Hume Health to sending me this product over and sponsoring today's video. It's a pleasure to use it, and I will use it because I used to go to the gym. So I really wanna see after a few months how it still can handle the progress and how it will be showing me, but I can say it will be very good. So I highly recommended this product guys. For that price, it's absolutely amazing product. So it was Eikos from Flow. It was a scale from Hume Health. and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace!